everyone, my second is result. Today I would like to tell you about American textbook reading, Scie2, Lesson 8, Season. So we talk about season. Do you know there are 4 seasons of the year? Which season of the year? What does it mean? So we have 4 seasons here in the picture. You see, this one is summer and goes to it is spring and goes to summer. Summer it go down and turn to fall. It cold and turn into winter. So very cold, you know. So there are 4 kinds of season. Here, first is this, and the final is winter. So, firstly, we talk about spring. Spring means spring in between summer and winter. Why? It look like fall. Fall also like that. Fall mean I will talk to you about later. It really look like this. So you know the spring is very cool and very warm. So in the sky is very warm. So we can go outside and don't play kite. When autumn we play kite. So we just plant gardening and plant some beautiful flower or etc. So if then you will see caterpillars. Caterpillars is when the leaf is here. The small, very small. It seem to be eggs, very small. And they will grow up and break the eggs. So they have caterpillars. But what the caterpillars caterpillars when they were tiny? So they turn. What do they turn? They turn into very beautiful with flying wings. What beautiful! It's big. It's a big like this. It looks like a butterflies, not dragonfly or bird. They are not beautiful than butterflies. And see, we have butterfly, and you see one animal that you really like it. You really like it, but it's very dangerous. You just like honey. What does animal make honey? You know? No. So you don't know. It's about bees. It has sharp tail with this sharp and stick out us will be toxic. How toxic?
Really?
Yes.
It's so dangerous.
Yes. And there are kinds of plants too. Not only flower. There are tree plants, but see, do you know spring? Spring doesn't have any fruit. Why? Because the tree, when the winter is go off, the new year was come out. So we have a new year. So the spring will start it again like season cycle, you know, and season like the spring. When the winter was goes up, the spring will come, and you see the tree. What does the tree of the winter? Is there a leaf? No. And turn into to spring. So the spring, the plant is lots of flower, don't have fruit. And lots of flower, a little bit of leaf because they're very a lot. And when the spring goes up, goes down, what the season that go up when you are very hot and you need to go to the beach. What weather is? What season is that? It is summer. Summer means summer like summer is very hot weather, and it come after spring because I like spring because it's very warm and cool. So also fall. I like fall too. Why? Because fall have a golden and I can pick them. But what the autumn what the fall have? It seems to be pumpkin when the Halloween comes. But do you know spring? What is spring? Do you know? Spring money?
Ah, lucky money?
Yes.
Yes, I know. It's take holiday.
Yes. And so summer we have a beach with a coconut trees. So the sun is shiny because there are lots of shiny of the sun. So they shine, but a little bit of cloud. Why? When the cloud and then we all learn about water cycle. So when the sunlight shining up of the water vapor goes up, and the second when they goes up, the air very high, so they will cool, so they turn into clouds. So when the clouds, you listen, the third is when the cloud when the water drops get bigger and bigger, and it turn to cloud, and it would be rain and when the very heavy clouds, so snow. So you listen this third. So what about when the water drops, like they mist and they fold them into clouds, a much cloud, so they turn so they fall rain, you know, so many clouds, so the sun didn't shining up for the water vapor. Like this beach, it was shining up and turn into water vapor. And you want this one when you at the summer, you really like it. It's very cool, and for you. When you're at the beach, you eat something.
I think it's coconut.
No.
No?
It's like ice cream.
Ice cream, yes.
Ice cream is very cool, so we eat it. So really cool.
And delicious?
Yes. Or some kinds of lemon with lemonade.
Oh, lemonade. Do you like lemonade?
Yes.
Yeah.
I drink in the summer. Good job. Very good. And when the summer is hotter and hotter, then the sun will be colder and colder. Why? What does weather like? It seems to be winter. It not seem to be winter. It close it. One weather and turn to winter. It's fall. Fall have gold or brown or orange leaves. And fall, see the fall. If you see the fall, there are many gold leaves go down. Why? Because they seem to be turned into winter, so the leaf will be fall down. Because the season, the temperature is getting colder and colder. When the summer will hotter and hotter, the sun and the temperature will go this and turn to really hot and hot. And when the winter goes, the temperature will go down, so they blue. When the hot, red.
That's the reason why leaf fall down.
Because the temperature is very cold, so the leaf is very cold, so they must be fall down.
Really?
See these leaves?
Must be fall down?
Yes, and this tree is seen to be fall down because there's turned into fall. And you one thing that the fall can have, you know, when the Halloween have, and in Vietnam don't have, but American, it cheated. Yes, it with a Halloween basket and cheater teeth. Do you know cheater teeth?
I don't know.
Cheater teeth, like if we have basket of pumpkin, we go in America. So we go and go to some people have and cheater teeth and put candy. But you don't know like that.
Yes.
Because I watch cartoon. And when the fall goes down, the very cold temperature will come in. It's coming to be a new year. When it seems what? It is winter. Winter is very cold in America and Vietnam. Like we talk about the third water drop cycle, a water cycle. So the water cycle said when the water drops get bigger and bigger, and it will fall when they are very big and very strong. So they fall snow like in America. But in Vietnam don't have. It's just a cold temperature. Like we are here, the temperature is very cold today because it is winter. Because
winter is coming.
Yes.
Yes.
And there are 12 months. There are 3 months for spring, 3 months for summer, 3 months for fall, and 3 months for winter. So we take 12
Divide?
divide
Yes.
divide 4.
Yeah.
Divide 3. Equal 4. So 4 seasons.
Oh, really? Yes,
So
amazing.
we have.
That's the reason why we have a 4 season?
Yes.
Yes.
Because
I see.
there are 12 months
12 months.
of the year.
Yes. And 3 months for one
season.
Oh. So we have a 4 season in
a
year. Yes. I know, I understand.
And when the winter, the snow go down, and what does we can make, and what does we can do, can we drink? 3 things, you know? What does we
What do we drink?
So too very hot for us.
Wow, I think it's coffee. No, hot coffee.
No,
No,
cacao hot.
coffee. Yes.
We
Or
drink
chocolate.
Yes.
Chocolate. Yeah.
We drink it. It's very sweet and very tasty. And what do we doing? What do in holiday? We make from snow. Snowman.
Yeah, snowman.
You make a video more and more minutes. You think all along. I said all by myself. And we do it to sledge. What the is sledge? It's like that is. We can sledge the sled. We can sled.
Skiing.
Yes, also skiing. But I like sled. You know sled?
No, I don't
The
know.
sled, like we have. You don't know. You can watch cartoon. With P.
Yes.
And also skiing. Skiing are also seems to be look like sled. But sled is not stand up but sit down. And
what holiday?
What
Holiday.
What holiday is in the winter? It is Happy New Year.
No, it's not Happy New Year. Happy New Year in Happy New Year in spring, and Christmas in the winter. And how about the fall? How about fall? What's the holiday in the fall? Festival in fall?
Pumpkin, Halloween.
And what else? In Vietnam, we have a
Make pumpkin?
no. Halloween is a holiday, is a festival in autumn in America, but in Vietnam, in autumn we have a festival that have a lion. Yes. Dragon. We have it. We eat mooncake.
Scie2.
Yes. What is called?
Autumn.
No. Autumn is a season. is a mid-autumn festival. Mid-autumn
Autumn
festival. Yes. Do you remember?
Yes.
Yes. So
First we talk about this. And it seemed the snowman very beautiful, right? Yes. So you know what snowman shape? You know? It's circle.
yeah,
Circle.
two circle.
Like 8.
Yeah.
You see with an eye and a nose and a jacket and something and
Two
cup.
hands.
2 branches.
Yeah.
Branches we make them into hand, and that's it. But don't go away and keep looking, my friends, and see you later. Don't go away. Let's continue again. So I will read you passage, and you will be complete and listened. So we can answer there are 4 different seasons. So we answer the question is. So let's read this first. I will read you very slow because it's very a little bit. So I will read it. So a season is a time of year. Yes, there are a long time to go a new when there are 4 seasons in the year. So first season is spring, second is summer, third is fall, and the final is winter. So we go into a new year. Like today is winter, so it seems to be a new year too. And there are 4 different seasons. Yes, some season is cool and warm, and some season is hot, like summer. But cool and warm is spring. So, and some season is also cold, like winter or fall. Fall is very cool, but you can fly a kite because they have wind to blow. But do you fly a kite in winter? No, because when the snow go down, when it's very hot, so it's very dangerous. It's called blizzard. So we did the fly a kite. If you fly a kite, it might blow you away. and it can make us sick or headache or sore throat or some kinds of thing like hurt our nose, you like that. And every season has different weather, so that it's hot and cold or something kinds of that. And the pattern of season is always the same every year. Yes, but they don't look same, right? Yes, but like spring, winter, it look like the word. But in American textbook reading, it look like the word spring. Spring is come after. No, it look like this. 2 spring and fall. Spring means spring between summer and winter, and also the fall. also summer. Summer is the hottest, so and it's come after. But the winter is the coldest. Coldest with hotter is not look like the same, but look like the temperature. And it's also come after fall, but summer come after spring. The pattern of the season is only the same every year. Spring is warm and cool, so like there are a lot of flower or some kinds of plant, but a little bit because there are a lot of flower in spring. Not in the spring, not in the fall, not in the summer or in the winter, not in. So there are many how of colorful season. What season is a lot of power in the year? What? It is summer. And we can play outside and enjoy the plant blossom in summer. No, in spring. When the spring goes down, the summer will goes up, and the temperature is hotter and hotter, and it came after spring. And in summer, the weather is similar to spring, but it become much hotter. So we need eat ice cream, go to the beach. Yay! I go to the beach, swimming, and do something like such as football, basketball, badminton, and etc. So on and etc. is the same word. So I use etc. or so on. Summer is season for swimming at the beach. The weather become colder in fall. Why? Because the hottest season is here. Then when the 3 months goes down and turn to another 3 months for another weather, like turning to fall. It seems to be very cold because it's close to winter. See, when you see the word like spring, summer, and fall or winter. So that is 4 seasons in the year. So here there are less hours of daylight than and vegetable are ripe in the fall, right? When the kiwi, it just it from pretend. No, it's not pretend. No, this pretend is okay. Pretend this one is kiwi. When it not fall, it is not ripe. So we eat them. The kiwi was yucky and it's very sour because it doesn't ripe. When the fall go up, so the kiwi is yummy. So I love kiwi or apple in the fall too. Yes. fall we also say in autumn. And winter is the coldest season. In winter snowfall and we have to wear our hat and gloves every winter snowfall, and we have to wear our hat and gloves, so we need to wear that. If you don't wear that, you will be sick. Sore throat. And there are special things to do in every season. One in spring, you can see the butterfly was or some flowers. In summer, you can go to the beach or you can plant flower. No, plant. So for what do? We fly a kite, right? Yes, and we can celebrate Halloween and winter, and also Scie2. And winter is not Scie2 because it's very cold, so we cannot go everywhere. So we need to wear scarf and we go out and play with snowman or some kind. We can play snow fight. In Vietnam don't have snow. In America or something or some, and also Australia don't have winter because it's very hot in there. So it have kangaroo, you know? Yes. Also rattlesnake. You know rattlesnake in desert? Rattlesnake is very dangerous. So we read the passage is done. So we go to answer question. There are 4 different seasons. Yes, season is and colorful season. There are many hours of the year. Yes, it is summer. Why? See, you can look in there. Where I look, in summer the weather is similar to spring, but it becomes much hotter. Summer is a season and the weather can colder when the fall. So it's also it's a long daylight. And in summer this one is spring. In summer the weather much hotter than spring because spring is warm or cool. There are rain or sunny, but in winter lots of rain, right? Yeah, because do you know why it's rain and why it's have cloud? Because when the water drop condense into cloud, so the water drop rain heavy, so they fall water and snow. But in Vietnam, no, it's just for rain because the temperature is very hot in Vietnam. The temperature in the America is very cold and have sore throat. I have sore throat, isn't it? Yes. And in for many fruit and vegetable, or what do you think? In other weather, but the winter you don't have fruit. So summer and spring and summer have, but the spring have flower, a lot of flower, don't have fruit, right? So the summer, yes, summer, the fruit didn't ripe. In fall, the fruit is ripe, so we can eat them. And the final question is, winter is season, snow fall, and we wear hat and go. Winter is the
Glove.
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 Oh no, I know. So winter is the coldest season in the year, right? Yes. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you the next time. It be zooming out. Take care.